Hey guys, welcome back to HubClick. In this video, I'll be showing you how to exchange money on Revolut. But first, check our special offer in the description. So, let's get started. So if you want to exchange money on Revolut here, what you need to do is you want to first access your account. So go ahead and open up the Revolut app here and log in into your account. Now, inside your account here, you want to go ahead and look for the option that says Move. So usually at the center of your screen, you should have Add Money, Move, Details, and more. Go ahead and choose Move. Now from here, it should give you this option here. Now you have the first option, which is the first currency, and the second currency. Now, you should see an arrow at the center here. So it just indicates that the currency or the first currency that you're seeing in here is being converted to the second currency that you see below it. So if you want to change the actual currency there, you can go and just click or press on the currency that you want to change, and it should give you the option to change whatever currency account you currently have right now. So it's either a British pound, euro, US dollar, or whatever you currently have. Now go ahead and select it. Now from then on, you want to go ahead and just basically fill out the necessary details, like for example the amount that you want to transfer, and from then on just click on the review order that you see at the bottom of your screen. So from then on, it should give you the option to review your order. So you can go and click on the sell amount or the sell option that you see at the very bottom of your screen, and that should basically exchange your money to that specific account. So, or specific currency, and you should be pretty much good to go. Now also, there are advanced settings here if you want to tinker with that at the left side of the review order button, but then again, those are just advanced options. This is quite the straightforward way here, but that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.